Pwede ko po kayo invite in this corner po. Ayan po. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Jane. This is all for you po.
Ano ba?
Ayan! O, diba? Ayan, ma'am, dito po kayo on this corner po. Dito po kayo, mag-face po kayo. Palakpakan po muna natin si Ma'am Jane. Ayan. Of course, ito pong lahat, ma'am, magpapakilala po muna kami. We are from Princess Surprise on Wheels. Ang lahat ng ito po ay hinanda po ng iyong VA House family. Oh, wow! Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am. Ayan. Of course, dahil nasa Princess Surprise on Wheels po kayo, ayan po yung special song na requested nila. Kayo po yung magiging princess namin of the day. Of course, meron po kayong Ferrero chocolate. Ay, natanggal yung crown.
Ako na tayo pupuli kay Elizabeth, tay.
Dawat naman ni Prince Charles ang buhan. Corona. Ulahi kagamay.
Flower bouquet.
Wow!
Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Jane.
Thank you po.
And of course, ma'am, meron po kayong...
May pa-plak pa.
Meron po kayong human-sized teddy bear. Ayan. Of course, meron din po silang hinandang message po para po sa iyo. Ready na po kayo? Happy birthday, Boss Jane. Dear Boss Jane, another walk around the sun. Happy, happy birthday, boss. We have witnessed how you stand up and fought for us and treated us like your children. We have felt the love, care, and concern given to smallest member of this community. We have seen your sacrifices and see VA House bloom in number because you are relentless. We see you in every side. We feel you and we count ourselves blessed to be part of your team. To more blessed years ahead. Cheers! We love you always and we never stop praying for you, our boss. We remember you today on your special day. We thank God for His grace and faithfulness to you today. Happy, happy birthday, boss. You are forever blessed. Love, your VA House family. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Jane. Ayan! Of course, yes po, meron po tayong documented video later on na pwede nyo pong i-play sa ating official YouTube channel, The Princess Surprise on Wheels. Ano pong message niyo, ma'am, sa lahat po ng naghanda nitong surprise na ito para po sa inyo?
Thank you so much for everyone na nag-prepare ng surprise na ito. I feel so loved and very overwhelmed. It's so princessy. Salamat, guys. I wouldn't be complete in VA House kung wala sa inyong hard work. And I thank God for all of you. Sana ma-enjoy din kayo sa day na ito. And happy birthday also to you para lahat-lahat na tayo. God bless! Salamat talaga! Salamat talaga!
Malakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Jane. Yay! And of course, ma'am, meron po kayong dalawang birthday. Ayan! Pwede po akong mag-request somebody to hold the cake for Ma'am Jane. Ayan, si Sir po. Ayan, sabihan niyo po si Ma'am, Sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Jimmy Jessie Mindiola yarn!
Wish mo muna kayo and may all your wishes to come true po. Yay! Yay! Thank you po! Salamat po! And of course, ma'am, meron po kayong cake. Another cake. Happy birthday, Boss Jane.
From the admin daw.
From admin girls. Ayan.
Salamat, admin!
Yay!
Sa PTPTI o sa
LTO ni Tay! LTO! Hi! Salamat, admin!
Jane, personally from Princess Surprise on Wheels, we wish you happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless you po sa inyong VA House family at sa inyong family po. Yay! Thank you! Of course, from this most trending Gartrunk surprise sa ngayong panahon po, your sana all no more na po si Ma'am Jane. Yay!